Any mention for unlisted matter? Any mention for unlisted matter? From the main list, item number 1.
His Lordship, in this case, I did some accommodation, Your Lordship. Due to my health problem, Your Lordship.
No. You're always wasting time and seeking adjournments. Please do the matter.
Your Lordship, due to my health.
Yes, what is the matter, sir?
My Lord, this is a termination under the temporary service rule.
Very good.
During the probation period, after the probation period.
So,
after the expiry of the probation period.
after the
expiry.
not confirmed.
Not confirmed. In one of the case, it was recommended. There are 3 cases, my Lord.
Yes.
One of the cases, it was recommended, but no order had been passed. In this case, my Lord, I appeal. They awarded major penalty holding a regular DPC, a regular departmental proceeding.
But when you're on probation, that is unnecessary.
They have hold because deemed confirmation. One of the contention is that I've been deemed confirmed, and they have hold a regular departmental proceeding under Rule 14 of the CCA Rule 1965.
Yes, Mr. Devnath.
And while undergoing this.
This can't go on endlessly. You're only standing here and asking for time every time. Yes, there must be some time when it has to stop. As a last chance, the petitioners are afforded a fortnight to proceed with the matter. Give a date.
My Lord, can I get after 3 weeks, my Lord?
Very well. 3 weeks instead of 40?
After 3 weeks, my Lord. Diplomatized, Your Lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, 1, 2, and 3 are same.
Item number 4.
1, 2, and 3 are same.
Item number 4.
Read please, Your Lord.
Yes, Mr. Amity.
The pursuant to the directions which were passed on the last
Sorry, can't get through. Can't hear you properly, Mr. Amity.
Can Your Lordship hear me now?
Who's on the other side?
Mr. Dolakia is on the other side.
Yes.
Lord, I am on the other side, Lord.
Yes. Are we ready to proceed?
Lord, what has happened? I mean, Mr. Mahmoodi was saying something. He's filed an application.
Yes.
My Lord, pursuant to your Lordship's last order, where, my Lord, there was a controversy regarding the documents. There are certain documents, my Lord, which were not part of the arbitral record. Then there were certain documents which were part of the arbitral record, but not a part of the Section 34.
Yes.
And of course, my Lord, there are certain documents which are part of both.
Yes.
Now, my Lord, pursuant to your Lordship's, my Lord, directions, we had conducted, my Lord, a joint exercise.
Yes.
obviously there are the documents which were not part of the arbitral record, as per your lordship's last order, they have been omitted from the list that they have given, the objections that we had raised. Out of that, all those documents which are not part of the arbitral record, they have removed. Now, two controversies arise. The first is as regards documents which were part of the arbitral record but were not a part of the section 34. Now, they've given a list of those documents. Now, they have not, unfortunately, given any reasons why, they're relying on each of the documents, because your lordships had said that they would be decided on a document-by-document basis. So, one thing is that perhaps when Mr. Ahmadi is finally addressing the arguments, if he chooses to rely on any of those documents, he will make good why that particular document.
Exactly. And as you know, Mr. Dholakia, we will apply the principle of Order 41, Rule 27, and that is decided at the time of final hearing of the appeal. But if memory serves me right, one of your objections was as to limitation. So I suppose there's a Section 5 application which has been filed.
Yes.
So we'll formally allow the Section 5 application, and then whatever you have to say on merits, we'll consider it.
As your lordship deems appropriate.
How many days delay, Mr. Ahmadi?
Well, according to us, there is no delay. But at the highest, it's about 20 days.
About?
About 20 days. At the highest.
20?
Because 20 days. Yes.
Very well. Upon a controversy arising as to whether the appeal, there are several appeals. The appeals have been filed in time, and applications have been taken out on behalf of the appellant in all 5 matters by way of abundant caution to seek condonation of the delay, in paragraph. It is submitted on behalf of the appellant that if at all, the delay is to the extent of 20 days, full stop, paragraph, without needlessly wasting time as to whether there was actual delay or not, in view of the good ground shown, the marginal delay, if at all, in preferring the appeals is condoned and all the appeals are taken on board. Paragraph, the appeals will be heard. Should we start the hearing straight away, or do you want to do it some other time?
We'll do it physically if your lordship has it on the 17th, if that is convenient.
17th?
If it is convenient to your lordship,
yes, 17th
be on the 17th.
Very well.